Hi, my name is Patricia Howard. I'm the author of the No Regrets Guide to Retirement and a qualified financial planner. I thought I'd put together a series of short, informative videos just like this one to provide general advice to anyone in or near retirement. If you have invested retirement savings, then you'll be concerned about the performance of the Australian share market. And during September, there were certainly a couple of days where some of us were holding our breaths and wondering if there was a larger correction in store for the market. Happily, this proved not to be the case, and the share market is trading well above where it was before the pandemic struck at the beginning of 2020. There are a number of reasons for this. Firstly, the pandemic seems to be better managed and more under control than it has been since it started. A lot of this is because of the very high vaccination rates here in Australia, and that's very laudable. It should mean that there are less, if any, disruptions to the economy as we've seen over the past 18 months. And that's a big plus for everyone, but particularly for companies listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. In addition to that, we're still seeing a lot of money coming out from government by way of stimulus packages to help economies recover from the big setbacks of the last 18 months. At the same time, we're seeing interest rates are still low, and altogether these things have combined to really boost earnings. So the forecast for the Australian share market over the next 12 months is extremely positive. Needless to say, there are always some red flags on the horizon. It is possible that the pandemic isn't quite as under control as we're hoping, and that we might have further outbreaks of other variants, as we've seen this year with the Delta variant. Hopefully that doesn't happen. China, of course, is still a bit of a question mark. Hopefully things will settle down there in terms of their political space, and we can all get back to doing what we do best, working hard, selling lots of goods for each other, and driving economic success both here in Australia and in China. There is also a question mark as to whether inflation will reappear in the international economy, and that will have a flow-on effect to the Australian economy and with it the share market. If we do see an increase in inflation, it's likely to prompt a small increase in interest rates, and that could have quite a significant impact on the domestic economy. All up though, I think the downside in this forecast is very limited. And I think for a number of reasons, the economy really has a lot of steam built up within it. And I think we can expect economic growth to rebound over the next 12 months. I hope you found this video of interest. If you have, please press like, and by all means subscribe to this channel. Also think about going onto my website, patriciahoward.com.au, and subscribing to my newsletter. Thank you.